Hey everyone! Whether you're diving into a new fitness journey or looking for ways to prioritize self-care, today's video is packed with must-have products to help you stay on track. From workout essentials to tools for recovery and everyday wellness, these picks are designed to elevate your routine. As always, links to all the products are in the description below. Let's get started. First up, track your fitness progress with the Fitbit Versa 4 smartwatch. This sleek smartwatch monitors your heart rate, tracks workouts, and even measures readiness to exercise. With its lightweight design and impressive features, it's perfect for staying motivated and reaching your goals. For a more minimalist option, check out the Fitbit Inspire 3 fitness tracker. It's slim, comfortable, and provides essential health insights like sleep patterns, stress levels, and activity tracking. Plus, its long battery life means you can focus on your routine without constant recharging. Make indoor workouts convenient with the Sperax walking pad treadmill. This compact treadmill fits easily into any home, allowing you to walk or jog at your own pace. It's perfect for getting in steps while working from home or during rainy days, when outdoor exercise isn't an option. Add some intensity to your workouts with the Henkelion weighted vest. This vest is adjustable, evenly distributes weight, and is perfect for strength training or cardio. It helps you maximize your workouts and achieve faster results while keeping you comfortable and mobile. Fuel your fitness routine with premier protein shakes. Packed with 30 grams of protein per serving, these shakes are ideal for post-workout recovery or as a quick, nutritious snack. They're delicious, convenient, and keep you energized throughout the day. For coffee lovers, the BREW Conical Burr coffee grinder ensures your morning cup is always fresh. Grinding your beans right before brewing enhances flavor and aroma, giving you the perfect energy boost to kickstart your day or power through a workout. Monitor your food with the Etekcity digital food kitchen scale. This scale provides accurate readings with capacity up to 11 pounds. Its sleek, stainless steel design fits any bathroom, helping you stay on top of your fitness goals with style. Stay hydrated with the Stanley Quencher FlowState tumbler. This insulated tumbler keeps drinks cold for hours and features a straw for easy sipping during workouts or busy days. It's perfect for staying refreshed, whether you're at the gym or on the go. Take your fitness and self-care to the next level with the Apple Watch Series 10. This smartwatch tracks workouts, monitors health metrics, and integrates seamlessly with your Apple devices. Its always-on display and sleek design make it a favorite for both fitness and everyday use. Finally, simplify meal prep with the Ninja Professional Blender. This powerful blender is perfect for creating smoothies, protein shakes, or even healthy sauces and soups. With its sleek design and reliable performance, it's an essential tool for anyone focused on fitness and wellness. And there you have it, 10 must-have products to support your fitness and self-care journey. Let us know in the comments which one you're adding to your routine. And don't forget to check the links in the description to shop all these amazing finds. Thanks for watching, and here's to a healthier, happier you.